Tiffany with CreaTif-Tutoring, and I wanted to do a what's in my substitute teacher tutor bag. Okay, so this is the bag that I carry around most of the places that I go. It does have a sister bag, which is this little purse. So this is a purse that I keep with me that has the things that are important. And then this is a bag I keep with me that if there's anything in it that's lost, I'm okay with it. So if you're a new substitute or you are a tutor and you're going to different schools or places to work, these are some of the things that I would suggest taking. So the first thing is this bag. If you can get a bag maybe this size to take things that you want to maybe touch up on or use or that may be useful. This is a miniature thing of deodorant, hand sanitizer, eyeliner, mascara, chapstick, and I have a miniature roll-on perfume that I got in one of my Ipsy bags, subscription bags, and it smells amazing. Let's see here. I also have pain medicine. So for example, if you have a headache, you have cramps, you have muscle pain, this is wonderful to have with you because you may not necessarily be able to get over to the nurse. Something happens. This is something else I normally carry, which is a face wipe. Like if I want to go to the gym during the day, I carry this. That way I can make sure I'm taking care of my skin. And then these are protein bars. So this is good for when you're going to the gym, but also a quick breakfast if you're going to school. You have to wake up early to go and work at a school usually. So I think this would be a great quick breakfast. And then something else I would suggest taking is if you are an entrepreneur and you have a product that you want to sell, whether it's a craft or you sell Avon or anything like that, I would also suggest putting that in your bag. Thank you so much for stopping on this video and taking the time to watch it. I hope that it was helpful. I hope you also have a beautiful and blessed day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend. Take care and goodbye.